So in this video, we are about to check the sound quality of the Fantech Leviosa MCX01 condenser microphone. So this microphone costs around 1,600 maybe on Shopee. I bought it around this price. So just check it out. Di ko alam kung if there's mas mura. But I bought this mic for that price. So this video is intended to check or to further check the sound quality of the mics, because as I've seen many Fantech Leviosa na videos, they just unbox the microphone and medyo nakakaligtaan. So siguro na-omit or na-neglect the sound quality part or the sound test part. So this video is here to punan or to make you be wiser, much more wiser in choosing your next condenser mic. So if you are into online teaching, in your sa work ninyo, so with the setup that we have right now, this pandemic, so more or less you need this for work from home setups, meetings. Also, if you are a streamer, diba? You're starting in streaming, you want a microphone that is siguro above BM800, and but syempre hindi naman costly yung microphone na may bibili natin. So with the price range na kakompetensya ng Fantech Leviosa, we have the Fifine, I think K680, yun yung mga kakompetensya niya, which costs around 1,800 to 2,000. We have also yung Razor Seiren Mini 2.4 ata. And for me, the biggest competition for this one sa price and also syempre all around price and the quality is the Maono PM661TR. So that microphone costs around 1,200 or 1,300. So for me, that's the two microphones that talagang ni-research ko on what should I buy, the Maono or the Fantech MCX Leviosa. So with the price range, it's around 400 or 300. Mas ang ganun yung difference nila. So mas mahal to ng konti with the Maono. So why did I chose this instead of that Maono? So first one is the build quality. So the build quality on this one, it's made out of it's made out of metal. It's made out of metal, wherein sa Maono, it's made up of just plastic. So, diba, 200 to 300 peso difference. So, if I had to choose, I will go, syempre, with the metal build. Syempre, mas maganda yung metal build compared to the plastic. So, also with the added functionalities, because with the Maono, they only have one knob. So, it only has one knob, which is the gain knob. Okay, nothing else. But with this one, it comes with 4 different features or added functionalities on its mic. So, first one, as you see on the screen. So, I've put there my little my DIY setup for this one. So with this one, it doesn't come with with an boom arm with a hindi naman customized, pero a separate what do you call this one? Pop filter and a shockwave. So it comes with a so if you have searched it, syempre siguro you have searched it naman to to other YouTube videos there. So it comes with the mic, syempre the USB cable. So again, this is a USB condenser mic, so it has its sound driver inside the mic na. So it's just a plug and play. Unlike yung BM800, hindi ng sound card or phantom power to run. Okay? So ayun. So with that one, sobrang plug and play siya. Mas direct siyang gamitin. Mas user friendly, unlike dun sa mga need pa ng audio interface. So with this one, included niya yung tawag dito, yung kanyang mini na mount or yung mount ng mic niya, which is good, pero hindi siya shock mount. So konting galaw mo lang sa mic. And with this one, sobrang sensitive na ito. Konting galaw-galaw mo lang dito, talaga mararamdaman. So sa mga Zoom meeting, ganyan, medyo masakit sa tenga siya. So yan. So hindi ko yung ginamit. It also comes with a stand, which is okay naman if you are on one side lang when you are working. But with me, syempre 8 hours ka nag-work or long hours ka nakaupo. So maganda yung naiikot-ikot mo yung microphone mo kung saan ka mas comfortable. So ayun, again, so it has that. Okay naman siya, but I chose to buy my setup. Itong setup na nakikita nyo. So bumili ako ng shock mount sa Shopee. Mura lang yan. 300. This one, 100 lang yung pop filter na yan. And also yung boom arm. Actually, ito yung medyo mahal. Pero, syempre, maparaan tayo. Nabili ko na sa isang thrift store for around 500. At saka nag 50% pa. So, diba, mantakan nyo 250. At hindi siya yung spring na parang sa Shopee na parang spring, medyo low quality. So, ito yung mag-range ng mga 1,000 plus sa Shopee. So, nabili ko na siya ng ganun. So, siya na yung walang spring. Pero anyways, it's not about that. It's about the mic. So, again, I'm talking to the mic, syempre, para mas marinig niyo yung quality. So, the quality is great. It's great for me. Great for the price. But overall, syempre, good quality siya. Syempre, may mas magaganda pa talaga naman. Syempre, yung mga nasa upper echelon, yung mga HyperX, mga Blue Sky, ano pa ba yung mga nasa upper echelon, mga basta marami eh, mga nasa around 4,000, di ba? Yung mga Boya, basta marami pa, di ba? May Maono din na 4,000, but with the under 2,000 budget, again, Fifine, ito, ang pangat naman sa Fifine kasi, yung kanyang USB connector is hindi natatanggal. Unlike this one, natatanggal. So, what if masira yung connection, maputol or what? Magkaroon ng problema sa USB. So, di ba? It's a hassle. Tsaka hindi, ano rin pala siya. Metal build siya. But for me, hindi ko talaga siya naging option. Kasi chinek ko yung mga sound quality niya. Medyo lag siya behind this mic and the Maono. So, with the sound quality, okay siya. Comparable naman siya sa Maono. Siguro Maono, medyo slight ng konti. Slight lang naman. In my opinion siguro. Siyempre, wala naman akong mic na yun. Hindi ko yung nabili. Pero, I do think mas okay siya ng konti. Pero konti lang. Very minimal lang. And, sa totoo lang naman, when it comes to sound quality, pagdating naman sa Messenger, pagdating sa Zoom, kung di ka naman nag-live stream or what, sobrang minimal lang kasi pagdating naman sa mga websites na yun or mga applications na yun, meron din silang compression eh. So, nangyayari in the end. So, kung ano yung ganda ng quality ng mic mo, nako-compress din naman. So, di ba? Kung yung intended mo for usage ng microphone, wala rin namang silbi kung, di ba? Kung mas malaki yung sample rate niya, mas mataas or what. So, but again, with the sound quality, it's the same. It's almost the same. Tsaka, syempre, kung marunong ka, so, me, myself, yun, sound engineer ako. So, alam mo yun, so, with the magic, little magic ng EQ, software EQ, kahit anong mic siguro, kahit BM800, or kahit yung mga typical na lavalier mic or mga headphone na mic, pwede mo magawa ng paraan with the help of software editing syempre. So, right now, ito naka-sound editing siya. So, mamaya, tatanggalin ko yung sound quality. But I think, I recommend naman talaga na lahat siguro, if you want to have the best, so-called the best quality that you can produce, syempre sa mic mo. Syempre, bumili ka naman ng mic na maayos. Syempre, you will do the best na, no? So, ayun, mas maganda na mag-download ka ng software. So, with me, I'm using a Mac. So, audio hijack ako. So audio hijack, para siyang effects rack. So, lahat doon, noise, compressor, EQs, may widener pa ako. May pang wider ako, mas maganda. So, mga ganun ba? And sa Windows naman, marami. Voice meter, ano pa ba? Mas marami Audition. Actually sa ano ko may Audition din, kaso mas sobrang daling gamitin ng audio hijack. Pwede rin sa OBS, but for me, I'm not using it because syempre yun nga, pagdating sa mga calls, at least meron akong application for it, 'di ba? Hindi na yung pag OBS ko iba setting ko, pag Zoom iba setting ko. So mga ganun ba? So why did I buy this? Okay, first of all, yun nga, the build quality. Number 2, yung mga knobs na meron siya. So, meron nga siyang mute button, which is very, very helpful pag medyo maingay yung paligid mo. Yun, di ba? You can just mute the mic and yun, di ba? Sobrang easy niya. And the monitor. So, maganda yung monitor if you're into listening to yourself while you are speaking. Hindi, mas maganda may monitor ka. But for me, I bought that for the added feature. Malay mo, kailangan ko siya sa mga susunod, no? So, for example, kailangan ko siyang idaan talaga sa mixer. Literal na analog mixer, digital mixer. So, I can put in yung 3.5mm to a 6mm na PL jack. Di ba? Pwede. So, mga ganun bang option. And that does not take place with di siya applicable for Maono, which doesn't have monitor outputs. So, yun. Again, ako, build quality talaga. Superior for me is the build quality because for 1,600, diba, wala ka mahanap na ganitong build quality for 1,600 na microphone. Kasama pa na magandang sound quality. So, for me, that is it. Kaya ito yung binili ko. And hindi ako nagsisisi sa kanya. It's a good microphone. It's okay siya for vocals. Ginagamit ko rin siya kapag nag-edit ako ng audio. So ginagamit ko siyang pang backup vocals. Mahinang backup vocals, ganyan. And also kahit malakas sa backup vocals, it's really, really good. It can handle with the best of them. Siyempre, okay pa rin yung mga Shure kasi sa inaano ko, sa church namin, mga naka-Shure kami doon. Pero, yun nga, with this mic, with the little bit of EQ and software editing, wow, there's really no difference at all. So, you can really use this talaga. It's really good. It's a really good microphone. So, right now, yan, may mga noise ako sa paligid, pero hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo siya. So, I would like to turn it off. So, without any processing. So, this is the sound of the microphone. Without any sound processing. So, ayan, syempre, raw yan eh. So, kung may electric fan sa paligid mo, so, diba, assume mo na maririnig talaga. So, the sound of the motors or the barking of the dogs sa labas, you will hear it because you bought a large diaphragm microphone. So yun naman ang setbacks, or not setbacks, yun naman yung drawbacks ng using a large condenser microphone without any noise software added to it. So yan, medyo maingay, but ang maganda sa kanya, if acoustic treated yung room mo, so, you'll get the best sound quality, lalo na pag sa vocals, unlike sa dynamic microphone, which is used for live, medyo buo, medyo nakakat yung mga frequency niya on the higher spectrum. So, yung mga plosives, yung mga ganyan, so, hindi siya maririnig. Also, good din siya sa mga instruments. So, kung may acoustic ka, gusto mo mag-cover, ng acoustic tsaka ng voice mo, pwede siyang isabay. Hindi magsasuffer yung sound quality ng yun, yung dalawang isang voice tsaka isang instrument. So, yun lang naman. So, mahaba na yung video. So, ayun siya. So, pinapa ko talaga yung video just to check para makita nyo lalo kung okay bang bumili ng Fantech. And for me, it's okay. Yan, binili ko na yung processing. It's okay. It's really good for its price. It's really good. You can start with it. Actually, kahit lumaki na yung following mo, kung nag-livestream ka or nagkaroon ka ng mas malaking budget. So, ganun. So, ako okay na ako talaga. My next dream, syempre, gusto ko magkaroon ng Shure SM7B. Yun, talaga, mga dynamic microphone, yung pang mga big time talaga yon. So, it costs around mga 20 to 25,000. So, medyo maangat na yon. But for this price, di ba, layo, no? Wala pang atang kung 20,000, wala pang 5% lang yung presyo, wala pang 10%. Eh, di ba? It's okay, it's good. It can be used na sa maraming mga bagay. So, kung hindi ka maarte, di ba? It's good. It's good. You can really use it. So, yun lang naman. I hope this video helps you. Diba? Like on the video, you can subscribe to me para we can do a lot more videos about unboxing tayo ng mga not so popular products para at least, diba, magkaroon kayo ng point of view lalo na sa mga bumibili sa online stores like Shopee and Lazada. So, yun lang naman, guys. So, bye-bye.